Hi guys! Look at these delicious pastéis that were deep fried a few minutes ago. Welcome and welcome back to Gloria's Platter. I am your host, Gloria. Pastel is a Brazilian dish and here I will show you how to make them in two different ways using two kinds of fillings. One for the meat lover and one for the vegetarians. Brazil is our current stop to taste their delicious cuisine. This is a collaboration of 15 people. Please check out their channels mentioned in the description below. So what are the ingredients we need? Here I have 3 cups of all-purpose flour. Here I have a teaspoon of salt. This is 1 tablespoon of white wine vinegar. And here is the secret ingredient that will make the dough crispier. I will tell you what this is later on, okay? And you will be surprised. We need oil to fry the pastéis and 1 tablespoon of oil for the dough. The recipe asks for warm water, which is interesting. I always used cold water when making Sri Lankan Patties. So let's get a large mixing bowl to make the dough. Make a hole in the middle and add water, oil, vinegar, and the secret ingredient. I should have added the salt with flour, but this is fine too. I am adding water gradually, just so that the dough has the right amount of water. Mix well. I usually use a food processor, but today I am getting my hands dirty, well, in a good way. I am dusting my work surface with flour and will knead the dough until it is elastic, smooth, and no longer sticky. Cover with a towel and set aside for 30 minutes. In the meantime, you can cook the filling. So let's talk about this secret ingredient. This recipe needs cabbage. I hope I pronounced it right. When I saw the word cabbage, I looked up and it is alcohol from Brazil. So instead of buying a whole bottle I have no use for afterwards, I found out this is the best substitute, vodka. So for the filling, I have ground beef here. Feel free to use ground chicken or turkey instead. I have chopped onions finely. This is freshly crushed garlic. Then I have parsley, which I chopped as well. We need salt and black pepper according to taste. Here is the ingredient I am skeptical in using. That is chopped olives. We shall see how it tastes after deep frying pasteis. I do not use oil when cooking ground beef, but since the recipe asks for it, I will add olive oil. Heat the oil and fry the garlic and onion until translucent. Now add the ground beef and let it sear for a few minutes. It is better not to continuously stir the meat, which will make the cooking time longer. Now we need the filling to be dry so that the pastéis won't be soggy, okay? The meat is cooked, so let's add the salt, pepper, parsley, and olives. Stir well. Oh wow, the dough is softer than other times and it is like a sponge. Unbelievable. So we are going to use half for the meat filling. You know, it feels so easy to roll this dough. It is actually like Play-Doh. Roll it as thin as possible without breaking. Fill with meat mixture and press it down. Use a fork to pinch edges together. To be honest, rectangle shape is not my favorite shape, but I want to have rectangles and semicircles so that we know which shape has which filling. While handling the dough, if you rip it, use some extra dough to fix the tear or the rip. And for the second filling, I chose shredded mozzarella cheese for the vegetarians. Feel free to use any kind of cheese. Roll out the dough the same way. Place cheese in the middle. Moisten the dough with water and seal the edges. Cut with a large glass to get semicircles. And again, use the fork to press and seal. This is actually my favorite shape. How about yours? Do you like the rectangles or the semicircles? Please write it in the comment section. So here I have made a few before frying. Deep fry in medium hot, about 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 2 minutes on each side. Do you remember what I filled these semicircles with? Write it in the comment section, please. See how crispy they are? You give me a thumbs up for the video, and if possible, share this with loved ones. Thanks, guys. So these are deep fried and I have already tasted both. Both are equally delicious. I want to add that these pastéis are extra crispy, so the secret ingredient did help. The olives actually added flavor that I really liked. Brazil is a country I would love to visit one day. I already know what I will be eating. Thank you, Sandy of My Aji's Kitchen, for organizing this collaboration. And thank you, Sylvia of What's Cooking at Mom's Kitchen, for the beautiful trailer. Thank you to the awesome chefs who participated. Thank you to the wonderful audience who watched. Hope to see you again soon. Bye for now.